In this last graph, we're asked to determine whether the relation defined by the graph below defines a function and give the domain and range. So is this a function? Yes, it is, because it doesn't matter where we draw our vertical line through that graph, we're only going to hit it once. So therefore, yes, it is a function. Let's take a look at the domain. Again, we want to know how far this graph extends to the left and to the right. Now you don't have any arrows on this graph, so there should be no infinities whatsoever in your answer. So because we don't have infinities, it's going to stop and start at a point, which means you're going to use just brackets with your domain and your range. So starting with the domain, how far it extends to the left. Let's start with the left, which is the smaller number, and it starts at -4. And it's going to go all the way where? Yes, you got it, all the way to 6 and stop. So our domain would be from -4 to 6. And again, we use brackets because it start and stop at that point. Next, we want to look at our range, what is the lowest point on our graph and what is the highest point. So starting with the lowest point, we can see here that the lowest point here is going to be, yes, at -3. And our graph is going to go all the way up and stop right there at 2. So we would say our range is from -3, and it stops at +2. And there you have it, finding the domain and range of a graph.